In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page break in Surveymonkey. Sometimes when we're designing surveys, we might inadvertently create a page break that we later decide isn't necessary. Surveymonkey doesn't provide a direct undo function for page breaks, but there's a solid workaround by deleting the page that was formed by that break. Let's walk through the process step by step to seamlessly revert your survey layout back to how you'd prefer it. Start by navigating to your survey's Design Survey tab. This area of the platform is where you'll find the hands-on tools you need to build and edit your survey. Make sure you've logged in and are viewing the right survey project where the page break issue occurred. Once you're in the Design Survey tab, you'll need to scroll through your survey to locate exactly where that unnecessary page break is affecting your layout. What you're looking for is the page that immediately follows the undesired page break. This is key, because effectively, it's the page that was created solely due to that break. Positioning your cursor there, you'll notice at the upper portion of this page a few options. One of these is a More Actions menu, depicted by 3 dots or an ellipsis. Click on this menu to reveal further actions you can take. From the More Actions menu, you will see an option to Delete Page. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation dialog. This dialog is crucial because it offers you choices on how to handle the existing content on the page you're about to delete. Essentially, Surveymonkey provides you with 2 options, either to move the questions to the page above or to move them to the page below. Consider the overall flow of your survey and decide which option maintains the best continuity for your respondents. Once you've made your choice on where to shift the questions, go ahead and click Delete. This action will remove the undesired page, thus eliminating the page break and merging the 2 pages back into one cohesive section. This process helps preserve the logical flow of your survey questions and ensures that your respondents have a seamless experience as they navigate through your survey. Remember, while this isn't a true undo in the traditional sense, it accomplishes the same goal. You get rid of that pesky page break without losing any valuable content you've already drafted. It can be a little tricky at first, but with these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your page breaks within Surveymonkey. Keep these steps in mind for future surveys to keep them neat and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for your survey design needs.